The universe is vast and filled with wonders. Countless galaxies dot the cosmic landscape. These galaxies, like our own Milky Way, are vast collections of stars, gas, dust, and planets. They drift through the universe, their movements governed by gravity. Sometimes their paths intersect in spectacular cosmic events. These cosmic encounters, known as galaxy collisions, are slow and drawn-out affairs. They unfold over billions of years, reshaping the galaxies involved. One such collision awaits our galaxy in the distant future. The Andromeda Galaxy, our nearest galactic neighbor, is on a collision course with the Milky Way. Galaxies are not static objects, they move through space, pulled by the gravitational forces of other galaxies. Sometimes these gravitational interactions bring galaxies close to each other. When this happens, a cosmic dance begins. As galaxies approach each other, their gravitational fields interact. The galaxies begin to distort, stretching and pulling at each other's structures. Stars and gas clouds are flung out into long, arcing streams. This gravitational interplay marks the start of a galaxy collision. Our galaxy, the Milky Way, is a barred spiral galaxy. It contains hundreds of billions of stars, including our own sun. From our vantage point on Earth, we see the Milky Way as a band of light stretching across the night sky. This band is the combined light of billions of stars. The Milky Way is constantly moving. It rotates like a giant pinwheel, with our solar system located about 2/3 of the way out from the center. Beyond the stars visible to the naked eye, the Milky Way extends much farther, encompassing a vast halo of dark matter. Andromeda, also known as M31, is another spiral galaxy even larger than our own. It lies about 2.5 million light-years away from Earth. To the naked eye, Andromeda appears as a faint smudge of light in the constellation of Andromeda. Through telescopes, however, its spiral structure is revealed in stunning detail. Like the Milky Way, Andromeda is a giant cosmic structure, home to trillions of stars. It is currently hurtling towards the Milky Way at a speed of about 250,000 miles per hour. This cosmic collision course will have profound implications for both galaxies. Section 5. The inevitable merger, setting the stage. The collision between the Milky Way and Andromeda is not a matter of if, but when. This cosmic event is a certainty, driven by the relentless pull of gravity that governs the universe. Based on current observations and calculations, astronomers estimate that the two galaxies will begin to merge in about 4 billion years. This prediction is made using advanced telescopes and computer simulations that track the movement of stars and galaxies over time. This merger will be a slow and drawn-out process, lasting for several billion years. During this time, the galaxies will pass through each other multiple times, gradually coalescing into a single larger galaxy. As the galaxies approach each other, their gravitational fields will begin to interact more strongly. This gravitational dance will cause dramatic changes in both galaxies, affecting not just their shapes but also the orbits of their stars and planets. This interaction will distort the shapes of both galaxies, pulling out long streams of stars and gas. These tidal tails will stretch across vast distances, creating spectacular cosmic displays. The once familiar shapes of the Milky Way and Andromeda will begin to disappear. Over time, the two galaxies will lose their distinct identities, merging into a new elliptical galaxy that will be unlike either of its predecessors. Section 6. A dance of stars. The collision begins. The first stage of the collision will be a close encounter. The galaxies will pass through each other, their stars and gas clouds interacting gravitationally. This interaction will trigger bursts of star formation as gas clouds are compressed. Despite the immense scale of this cosmic event, individual stars are unlikely to collide directly. The vast distances between stars mean that even during a galaxy collision, stars will mostly pass by each other. However, the gravitational interactions between stars will have a significant impact on their movements. Section 7. Galactic restructuring, a new galaxy is born. As the Milky Way and Andromeda continue to interact, they will eventually merge into a single, larger galaxy. This new galaxy will be an elliptical galaxy, lacking the spiral arms of its predecessors. The merger process will scatter stars and gas clouds, erasing the familiar structures of the original galaxies. The supermassive black holes at the centers of the Milky Way and Andromeda will also merge. This merger will release enormous amounts of energy, creating a powerful quasar that will shine brightly for millions of years. Section 8. Our solar system's fate, a cosmic toss-up. The universe is a vast and mysterious place filled with wonders and uncertainties. One of the most intriguing events on the cosmic calendar is the impending collision between our Milky Way galaxy and the neighboring Andromeda galaxy. The fate of our solar system during the Milky Way-Andromeda collision is uncertain. Scientists have long speculated about the possible outcomes of this colossal event. Will our solar system be a mere spectator, or will it be caught in the cosmic crossfire? There is a chance that our solar system will remain relatively undisturbed. In this scenario, the vast distances between stars could mean that our solar system might simply glide through the chaos, largely unaffected by the gravitational turmoil around it. However, it is also possible that the gravitational interactions will fling our solar system out into intergalactic space. The immense gravitational forces at play could potentially eject our solar system from its current galactic home, sending it on a lonely journey through the void. If our solar system is ejected, it will become a rogue solar system, drifting through the vast emptiness of intergalactic space. This would be a dramatic and unprecedented change, transforming our familiar celestial neighborhood into an isolated wanderer in the cosmos. While this would be a dramatic change, it is unlikely to have a direct impact on life on Earth, as our sun will continue to shine for billions of years. The stability of our solar system's internal dynamics means that, despite the potential upheaval, life on Earth could continue relatively undisturbed, basking in the steady glow of our enduring star. Section 9. The Future of Humanity, a Universe of Possibilities. The Milky Way-Andromeda collision is a reminder of the vastness and dynamism of the universe. It is a cosmic event that will unfold over billions of years, long after our own sun has reached the end of its life. Whether humanity will still exist to witness this event is unknown. However, the study of such cosmic events allows us to better understand the universe we live in and our place within it. Section 10. Conclusion. A grand cosmic spectacle. The collision between the Milky Way and Andromeda is a grand cosmic spectacle, a breathtaking event that will reshape the very fabric of our cosmic neighborhood. This monumental collision is a testament to the power of gravity and the ever-changing nature of the universe. The gravitational forces at play will create new star systems and potentially new planets. While this event is billions of years in the future, it provides a glimpse into the long-term fate of our galaxy and the countless stars and planets it contains. The merging of these two colossal galaxies will give birth to a new galaxy, often referred to as Milkomeda. The universe is full of wonders, each more fascinating than the last. From the twinkling stars in the night sky to the vast uncharted regions of space, there is always something new to discover. The study of astronomy allows us to explore these wonders and unravel the mysteries of the cosmos. From the smallest particles to the largest structures, astronomers use advanced technology and telescopes to peer into the depths of space, uncovering secrets that have eluded us for centuries. The universe is a place of constant change and evolution, where stars are born, live out their lives, and eventually die, often in spectacular explosions that seed the cosmos with the building blocks of new stars and planets. This cosmic dance has been playing out for billions of years, a never-ending ballet of creation and destruction. As we continue to study the universe, we gain a deeper understanding of our place within it and the incredible forces that shape our existence.